we're going to find the area of the trapezoid if your answer is not an integer, that means a number. In this case, 5, 5.5, whatever number you want right now, 20, 25, leave it in simplest radical form. So what we're going to do, okay, let's start with the formula. So the area of a trapezoid is equals to 1/2 times height times base 1 plus base 2. Base 2. And I'm going to call this one base 1, okay? I do have base 2, which is 11. See that this one here is 11. And this piece here is 2, so that means the base 2 is going to be 11 plus 2 equals to 13 feet. We have 13 feet. What is missing is the height. Now, in this case, I can see a right triangle where they are giving me the base and they are giving me the hypotenuse. So I can use Pythagorean theorem to find, in this case, the height of this triangle. So let me do this one. I'm going to do the triangle here. I have this one and this one. It's not a perfect triangle, okay? So 90 degrees. This one is 2 feet. This one is 6 feet. And this is h. That's what we're looking for. So remember that the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals to c squared, where c is the hypotenuse. So I'm going to do h squared plus 2 squared equals to 6 squared. So this is equals to h squared equals to 6 squared minus 2 squared. 2 is adding 2 squared, which is 4. Is adding, we're going to move it to the right side, it will be subtracting. So h squared is equals to 36 minus 4. So we have that h is equals to the square root of 32. Okay, so I have a square root of 32. Remember that 32 got a perfect square. We need to simplify that radical. And in this case, what we are going to have is 16 times 2. Okay, 16 is the perfect square inside that 32, which if we break it down like in simplest prime numbers, we're going to have 16 times 2. Properties of radicals. I can split square root of 16 times the square root of 2, which in this case the height is equals to square root of 16 is 4, square root of 2, and remember the units, feet. So in this case, I go back here, and I know that my height is equals to 4 square root of 2, and feet. Now I'm going to use my formula. So this is equals to, area is equals to 1/2 times the height, 4 square root of 2, times base 1, 11, plus 13. And in this case, remember, if we plug in everything is feet squared. Now let's simplify. So what I'm going to have here is 4 times 1/2 is 2 square root of 2, because 4 divided by 2 is 2, times 11 plus 13 is 24 feet squared. And now what is 2 times 24? So it's 48. Is equals to 48 square root of 2 feet squared. And this is the area that we are looking for.